Greetings, my friends. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson, founder of the A Collision with Purpose project. On behalf of my co-host, Ms. Donna Thompson, I am excited to unveil A Collision with Purpose groundbreaking new talk program, Under the Spotlight, which is dedicated to exploring the idea of purpose in our lives. Our show will air on Mondays at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our dedicated streaming platforms. Under the Spotlight aims to dissect what drives us, be it our careers, relationships, or personal quests for meaning. Each week, we will host distinguished guests, all sharing their unique insights and purpose-driven living. We will strive to challenge your perspectives, broaden your horizons, and ignite meaningful conversations. We aim to spark thoughtful dialogue and provide actionable insights that empower you to live more intentionally. To stay updated, we ask that you subscribe to our social media channels and enable notifications so you'll never miss these enriching conversations. We are truly grateful for your support and can't wait to embark on this journey of discovery together. Blessings always.